During welding of a boiler tube joint, excessive porosity absorbed in the root pass. The base metal is SA210 grade A1 and electrode used is E7018. The most likely cause is, so basically this is a SMAW welding process and you are using E7018 electrode and you are getting porosity, excessive porosity, lots of porosity you are getting while welding. So what could be the root cause of the porosity? Option 1 is incorrect electrode type. Option 2 is low heat input causing lack of fusion. Option 3 is moisture in electrode or improper baking. And option 4 is excessive interpass temperature. So basically, if you are getting porosity, then the most or major cause of porosity is moisture. So moisture is one of the major cause of porosity. And if you are using E7018 electrode, that is a low hydrogen electrode, and in low hydrogen electrode you need to bake the electrode. So if there is improper baking, then also you will get porosity. So reason for excessive porosity will be option 3, that is moisture in electrode or improper baking. So here explanation is written. If you want, you can pause the video and read the explanation. Friends, I would request you to please join my channel if you have not done it yet and support my initiative. Thank you very much.